Well, there's a variety of ways they can contact the EEOC. As I mentioned, we have a very good website, and you can contact the EEOC through it. We do online charge filing. You can set up to be interviewed by going through online. And that website is www.eeoc.gov. There's also a toll-free number. It's 1-800-669-4000. 4000. And you can get it through either of that. If you're just looking for some more information, the website's the place to go, because just look for guidances. I mean, if you want to know how long does an employer have before it responds to your reasonable accommodation request, it's on the website. You want to know whether an employer can argue that if other employees are unhappy about the accommodation, they don't have to give it. Is that an undue hardship? Answers on the website. A lot of the answers to the common questions are there. One thing I would want to alert people to is the JAN, the Job Accommodations Network. That's a tremendously helpful resource, and I can't tell you the number of times I went there. What it does is it suggests different accommodations for different limitations. If a person has a limitation in a major life activity, you can go to JAN. Let's just take migraines. If you have migraines, it makes it difficult for you to go to work. It will suggest different accommodations. I find that the Job Accommodations Network just fabulous. There's also a lot of state resources. When I had cases, I would often call different departments in the Minnesota government. And for example, I had a case involving a person who was deaf. And so I contacted the Minnesota Department of Deaf and Hard of Hearing and just asked for their advice and said, I have this case. What reasonable accommodations are out there? Can I come see them? And I was able to go and look at them physically. So there are a lot of resources of that sort that I think are out there.